Have you noticed that some accounts are growing very fast? Not because they are famous, not because they are wealthy, but because people feel something when they watch. People don't subscribe because of perfection. They subscribe because of connection. People are not following an account. They are following feelings. They subscribe because when they say you're content, they think the following: this person understands me. I'm learning something useful here. I feel motivated after watching this. This creator is real, not pretending. In a world filled of filters, fake lifestyles, and forced trends, people are craving authentic voices. They follow accounts that, number one, teach something valuable. Number two, share real experiences, not just highlights. Number three, speak growth, not just success. Number four, we have show growth. Yes, that's it. And we move to number five, inspire without making others feeling small. Followers don't stay because you post every day. They stay because your content makes them, number one, think. Number two, learn. Number three, feel understood. Number four, feel inspired to improve. Subscribing is their way of saying, I want more of this energy in my life. You are not just gaining followers, you are building a community that connects with your journey. And that kind of following, it grows slower, but it is stronger, loyal, and supportive. That's the difference between numbers and real supporters. And the reason why your followers or why they are subscribing to your account.